Hey guys, so this bot was created because it's extremely hard to get Nike Twitter releases, and I'm sure for a lot of you sneakerheads out there, when you try and click on the Twitter link as soon as it comes out, most of the time your shoe might be sold out, especially if it's a really hyped up release. So we created this software so that people could have it added to your cart automatically and search the Nike Twitter automatically without you even having to click on the link to begin with, so you can get your shoes. So I'm going to run through a tutorial on how to set it up and how to pretty much get it to get any shoe that you want, and let's go. So the second that you open this up, you're going to be presented with this. After you read this and you realize what the whole program is about, you're going to get to the end where you see that you have to play this video and go to the tutorials and look at the how to install. So this comes up, and what I want you to do is read this. So I already have Chrome. You go back to the folder, and what I want you to do is that when you go into Chrome, click these bars right here and go to settings and then go to your extensions. Alright, so now that your extensions are open, I want you to go back to here, this folder right here, and go to the add to cart folder and select your size. So my size right now is going to be 10. Just for the example. So you're going to drag your size into here, and then it's going to say drop to install, so you want to install it and hit add. So now that's installed right there. So when you go to Twitter, and you sign in, you go to Nike's Twitter, here, when you go down and you click on anything, I'm just going to use this for a general example. So, for example, this right here. If you click on this, it automatically added the shoe in the size that I asked for in my cart without me even having to click on it. So that's the first part of it, but we want it to happen automatically so we don't have to go ahead and click on the link. So for the second part, you have to go back and go to back to Chrome, back to your extensions, and then click, make sure developer mode is clicked, and then hit load unpacked extension. So we're gonna go back here, load unpacked, and go to back to that folder, and then we're going to click on this one right here. And this is going to come up right here, and you're going to have that enabled. So now that that's done, all you have to do is click OK, and your Twitter bot, for the most part, is set up. So if I go back here and refresh it, it's going to keep constantly refreshing. Now, the reason why it's doing that is because it's constantly searching for the keywords that are in that that last extension that you added. So for right now, I'm going to disable it so I can show you guys what that's about. And if you go back to the Twitter bot right here, this is a file that is scanning. You want to run it with a notepad, and it's a file that's scanning for this term right here, Jordan. So if I have it set up for Jordan and say a Jordan 5 or a Jordan 8 is going to release, then it's going to automatically click on the link that's with that within that keyword. So sometimes it doesn't always refresh even if I enable it. So what I want you guys to do is go to extensions and then go down to the bottom and then hit get more extensions and then go to auto refresher. So and you can get either auto refresh or auto refresh plus. This one is just as good. I actually don't like this one as much, but I use it for a different reason, so just for all intents and purposes, just get this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and have this refresh every second. For this example, let me just change it to trainer. So say that, so you can see right here, it says Nike Free Trainer 7 is now available. If I click on it, it's just like this, and it'll add it to the cart because I set it to do that in my size. You'll see what's available, but if we want that to happen automatically for the trainer, go back to the text editor. Right here, it's set for Jordan. Okay, so if we typed in trainer and just hit file save and close that, and then updated our extensions, enable that again, update it, and then we go ahead and refresh this. It comes up and it automatically adds it to my cart. Well, it's in my cart already, so it gave me the limited to 1 per customer. But you get the idea. So you can go ahead and apply this to any shoe. So if you didn't want to do that anymore and you wanted to get a new pair of Foamposites that's coming out, you could go back into here and change it to Foamposite. And if you just hit save and then updated the extension, it would automatically search for whatever Foamposite came up and add it to cart in your size. Now, what you want to make sure that you do is save it, of course, and make sure you update your extensions. I believe that that's it, and make sure that you have the auto refresher to 1 second. The one that I use can go below 1 second, but make sure that you have it to 1 second, and that should be it. It should be very simple, very easy to install, and that should be as simple as it is. So I hope you enjoy getting your shoe releases, and have a nice day.